Hey there, car lovers! Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing away dirt and grime from your precious ride? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, we're diving into the world of car care with a game changer, the best car washing foam gun on the market. We'll explore how these incredible devices turn a tedious chore into a fun and effortless experience, leaving your car shining bright in no time. So, stick around as we showcase top picks, tips, and everything you need to skyrocket your car washing game. Let's get started. Number 5. Ontel Carwash Cannon Foam Blaster Nozzle Gun, the ultimate solution for achieving a spotless shine on your vehicle with minimum effort. This innovative car washing system redefines convenience with its revolutionary foam blasting technology, allowing you to tackle dirt and grime quickly and effectively. Simply attach it to your garden hose, add your favorite car soap, and with the push of a button, unleash a thick, luxurious foam that envelopes your vehicle. Say goodbye to traditional manual cleaning. With 5 adjustable spray settings, you can customize your wash for a perfect clean every time. No more scrubbing with sponges or brushes, just spray, rinse, and admire the gleaming result. This foam cannon not only cleans cars but also works wonders on trucks, boats, RVs, and ATVs. Its air-infused foam ensures no residue or film is left behind, making it ideal for those who want a professional quality wash at home. For the best car washing foam gun that delivers optimal results effortlessly, look no further than the Ontel Carwash Cannon. Number 4. TORQ Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun from Chemical Guys, the best car washing foam gun on the market. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning routines and embrace foamy fun, as this innovative tool connects effortlessly to any standard garden hose. Designed to create a bubbly cleaning experience, it gently lifts dirt and contaminants, ensuring your car receives a scratch-free finish. With the detailer's secret in your hands, you can effectively eliminate over 95% of swirls and scratches caused by improper washing techniques. The adjustable foam concentration dial allows you to customize your cleaning solution based on your car's level of dirt, conserving soap and water while achieving incredible foam coverage. Perfect as a gift for car lovers, the TORQ Foam Blaster 6 not only makes washing enjoyable but also protects your paintwork. Delight the car enthusiast in your life with this ultimate car wash foamer that combines power, simplicity, and joy in one fabulous package. Number 3. SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun. This innovative foam sprayer transforms your typical car wash into a fun and exciting family activity. Designed to connect seamlessly to any standard garden hose, you'll skip the heavy machinery and complexities of traditional washing methods. The foam cannon works its magic by mixing water with soap and air, giving you adjustable foam concentrations for the perfect cleanse every time. With a 6-level foam ratio adjuster, you can customize your foam bubbles, whether your car is just dusty or in need of an intense wash. Plus, the professional-grade foam helps carry away dirt without scratching your paint or chrome, keeping your vehicle looking pristine. The inclusion of a microfiber wash mitt adds the finishing touch for a gentle, streak-free shine. Say goodbye to boring car washes and hello to the best car washing foam gun on the market. SwiftJet not only promises an exceptional clean but also ensures customer satisfaction is their top priority. Number 2. Clean Car USA Foam King Foam Gun Car Wash Sprayer, your go-to solution for achieving a scratch-free, gleaming finish right at home. This innovative foam cannon connects effortlessly to any standard garden hose, 3/4 inch, 5/8 inch, or 1/2 inch, transforming it into a powerful low-pressure washer that generates thick, luxurious suds in seconds. Say goodbye to abrasive dirt and grime. The Foam King's gentle touch ensures your vehicle's paintwork remains flawless, even when tackling tricky spots like wheel housing and roof racks. With 6 adjustable foam settings, you can effortlessly customize the foam concentration based on your vehicle's needs, whether it's a quick rinse or a thorough clean. Ideal for cars, bikes, boats, RVs, and more, this foam gun guarantees a fun and effective washing experience. Plus, with the Foam King guarantee, your satisfaction is assured. For the best car washing foam gun, look no further than the Clean Car USA Foam King, because a clean car starts with the right tools. Number 1. Generic Electric Foam Sprayer Car Wash Detailing Kit, the best car washing foam gun that takes your vehicle cleaning experience to a whole new level. This innovative, cordless sprayer is powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, allowing you to easily create rich and delicate foam without the hassle of traditional high-pressure machines. With a user-friendly one-click start, you'll never worry about manual pressurization again. Designed to provide scratch-free cleaning, the foam produced is perfect for gently removing dirt without damaging your car's paintwork, giving you professional results right at home. Simply mix water and detergent and spritz away. It features 2 startup modes for seamless operation. A long press keeps it spraying, while a quick double click lets you maintain control. This versatile tool isn't just for car exteriors, it's also fantastic for interior cleaning and household tasks. Say goodbye to tedious washing and hello to convenience with the generic electric foam sprayer. Perfect for anyone seeking ease and efficiency in their car care routine. In conclusion, a high-quality foam gun can transform your car washing experience, making it more efficient and enjoyable. By choosing the best car washing foam gun, you'll achieve a thorough clean while saving time and effort. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to maintain your vehicle's appearance, investing in the right tools is essential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Happy washing!